Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to activate TD credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Type in the URL www.td.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official web page for TD Bank. To activate your TD credit card, you'll need to first log into your TD online banking account. Go and click on the Personal tab at the top left, and then click on the Login button right under Online Banking. Enter your username or your access card number in the first text box and enter your correct password into the password text field right beneath. If you don't remember your username or password, click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link beneath the Login button and follow the prompts in order to look for your credentials. After you are done, click Login, and once you are logged into your account, find the Credit Card tab and click Activate Card button. Enter your 16-digit card number for verification along with your personal identification details, and you'll be able to activate your TD credit card right away. Once you are done activating it online, you'll be able to make purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, and also get various rewards and benefits. That is how you can easily activate TD credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.